What's going on, guys? My name is Camilo. Welcome to my channel, Camilo Reviews. I'm going to talk a little bit today about Amazon FBA automation. Second week, 14 days in. Let's go check it out.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Camilo, and welcome to my channel, Camilo Reviews. I am a husband, father, military veteran, DJ, and entrepreneur. Let's go check it out.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just want to give everyone a update as to where I'm at with my store. As of today marks 14 days since I've gone live with Amazon FBA automation. And within these first 2 weeks, I've made 2 official sales. So nothing spectacular, but off to a good start. So far, the process works, and sticking to the plan of creating that a solid foundation of ensuring that I get vetted, and after the 3-month slow wear-in period testing the products is I anticipate the team is gonna go ahead and scale my store from there. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. This last video, I think I put on here that I made my first sale. So officially I made my second, and it's cool. It's off to a good start now. Let me show you guys. Let's go ahead and boom. So let's see, February 27th was my first one, and then March 8th, which was yesterday. I think I made like 33 something dollars. Let's see, 2 units sold from the beginning, and product sales a total of 33 bucks. So nothing to brag about, nothing crazy, but this just continues to validate that the process works. I got 2 under my belt now, and hopefully it begins to gain a little momentum and it takes off. Let's see, so I have a good 2.5 months of following suit. Hopefully, I don't get any issues with any flags or suspensions, or in a weird way, I sort of want, this may sound crazy, I sort of want Amazon to vet my account, because I want to get past that hump. I want them to say, hey, we want to see copies of your invoices. At that time, the team, specifically the VA manager, will go ahead and forward them to Amazon, copies of the invoices with, letters of authenticity from the suppliers to say, yes, in fact, this LLC indeed purchased this product, this quantity, and this amount. Here's the proof from the supplier, and here's the proof on our end that we have it, and we hold the inventory in our warehouses before we send them over to you, Amazon warehouses. If there's a problem, you can walk over to your own warehouse and take a look at the product. Is basically how it works. So that's why I went with Amazon FBA wholesale. So there's a few twists to the game, though. Sometimes the paperwork can be tedious. Unfortunately, I know an individual that he's suspended right out of the gates, and it's making everyone wonder exactly where the hangup is. So there'll be more about that in the future. But his account is brand new, FBA wholesale, not drop shipping, not FBM, and his account was vetted by Amazon, and he got held up. They're having a problem with the paperwork. So more to come on that, but I'm sure everything will work out. But as far as my account, yeah, it's off to a good start. So far, so good. And just wanted to give you guys an update. What was cool is I caught wind that with the coronavirus, everything going on, there was a huge run on supplies, with wipes, with hand sanitizer, with water, and with so on and so forth, everything, with masks, everything that you need. And for a second there, some of the stores, they jacked up the prices. Amazon came back and said, hey, if for 1 second you think you're gonna price gouge all these individuals, we will suspend your store. If not, we'll close it and shut it down. So I think that was great good on Amazon that, you know, you put your foot down in the time of need, and, you know, you showed your true side, and, you know, you keeping everyone fair and honest. Is there a shortage right now? Is there a run on toilet paper and water? Whether it's legitimate epidemic or whether it's hysteria, in any event, yes, there is. So I'm glad that they put their foot down with that. Also, you know, there's been a few videos that have been dropped about, you know, FBM is officially dead for new accounts. So I just want to comment on that. I've never been a fan of FBM, or combining FBM with FBA. That's my personal opinion. That's one main reason why, you know, I've always sided with just genuine, true wholesale FBA, and that's it from the beginning. You know, I at least for the first 12 months, I didn't understand why, even if it's to boost profits, why one would want to risk it. You know, to risk that. For me, it wasn't worth it. And now we're starting to see the trend in which I think Amazon, you know, they're coming down harder with the algorithm. And a lot of these newer accounts that are starting off with FBM, as stated by, you know, a few YouTubers, you know, they're getting caught up. So the time has come, something that I've always had, I've shared the stance on, and I've never been, you know, 100% on board with FBM because of this terms of service. So, you know, that's what's happening right now. And you know, the big guy, the big dude, up in Canada, you know, he's basically, you know, there's a strong movement now all of a sudden on just strictly FBA wholesale. You know, he's not talking about FBM anymore. He's not talking about all these people that are left hanging, you know, all these accounts, and you know what really happened to them and how he had to convert them to wholesale. But as you can see real quick, Amazon's tightening up this drop shipping business, especially for new accounts. So again, my opinion on FBA wholesale and why I continue to push that. If there's a problem, we have the invoice, we have the, you know, the physical product inventory, and you know, that's as honest as it gets there. So that's just my 2 cents. So you know, I just want to give you guys a quick update. I'll make this short and sweet. I say this every time, and I continue to talk for another 5 to 10 minutes. But you know, for all you newbies out there, you're thinking about getting involved in Amazon FBA automation, and you have some specific questions, you really don't understand fully the different options between FBM, drop shipping, and FBA, you know, reach out to me. You know, shoot me a text, an email, or give me a call. We could sit down and schedule a one-on-one, you know, video chat, and you know, we could chop it up. I could give you, you know, what I tell everyone. I could give you my honest feedback of what I know up to this point. So, you know, I've made minimal sales. I think like $33, $33.86. I've made 2 sales, but you know, I could do what I can at my level to assist with, you know, the steps in the very beginning up until you go live. So there's a few things. All you have to do is follow my videos. But if you want a little more insight, you know, just reach out to me. I'd be more than willing to assist with that. You know, if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them down below at this time. If you're a new subscriber and you're finding value in my content, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and hit that bell notification. You know, it looks like at this point now I'm producing sales. I'll be dropping a video with updates twice a week now, I think is the magic formula. And every time I do so, you'll be notified once you hit that bell notification and then hit all. So, you know, I'll make this short and sweet. You know, I just want to say good luck to everyone. 2020, Amazon FBA automation, and we'll talk to you guys soon. All right, bye-bye.